Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you or your child are ready to hit the pavement, choosing the right pair of roller skates is the most important step for a fun, safe experience. Getting the wrong ones can make learning tough. In this guide, we're looking at the top 5 models perfect for beginners. We focus on crucial features like adjustable sizing to save you money and essential safety features like ankle support. Product number 1. Met roller skates for girls ages 5 to 8, 8 to 12, and boys teens, adjustable 4 sizes. The Met roller skates are the ultimate introductory option for growing kids, offering an ingenious 4-size adjustable mechanism that guarantees a perfect fit for years. This feature saves parents money and ensures the skate is always snug, which is critical for beginner safety. The skates are constructed with a reinforced aluminum frame and feature 82A polyurethane wheels paired with ABEX 7 bearings, providing a smooth, quiet roll both indoors and out. Safety is paramount with a triple protection locking system, ratchet buckle, power strap, and laces that locks the ankle in place. The honeycomb breathable liner and multiple hollow shoe shells ensure comfort and heat dissipation, making them a great choice for long skating sessions. These inline skates are a fantastic balance of durability, adjustability, and performance for the aspiring skater. Product number 2. Roller Derby Firestar Youth Skates for girls, boys, beginners. A classic quad skate design, the Roller Derby Firestar is specifically engineered for young beginners. Unlike inline skates, the stable double-row wheel placement offers an immediately comfortable and balanced platform, making the first steps of skating easier and less intimidating. The Comfort Sport boot design includes a padded collar for a soft, secure fit and a power strap over the ankle to ensure maximum support, which prevents ankle wobbles. They come equipped with 54mm urethane wheels and 608 ZB accelerator bearings designed to roll at a manageable speed, fast enough for fun but slow enough for confidence building. As a well-known brand in the skate world, the Firestar delivers a reliable, quality build with a focus on ease of use for true novice skaters. Product number 3. Sully Feel Rainbow Unicorn 4-size adjustable light-up roller skates. Sully Feel combines beginner functionality with dazzling aesthetics, making these a huge hit with children. Like other top-rated kid skates, this model features an easy push-button 4-size adjustment to accommodate growing feet. The main attraction is the set of all 8 wheels that light up as the skater rolls, which is battery-free and powered by the wheel's motion, a major safety bonus for visibility and, of course, a fun factor. Built with a supportive boot and reliable toe brake, these quad skates offer the stability necessary for beginners to learn foundational movements and stopping techniques. The Rainbow Unicorn design is often cited in reviews as the primary motivation for kids to strap them on, blending essential safety features with irresistible style. Product number 4. SoWoom Adjustable Roller Skates for girls and women. All 8 wheels of girls' skates shine. The SoWoom adjustable skates bridge the gap between youth and adult beginners, offering a quiet design suitable for older girls and women. These skates boast the popular illuminating wheels, all 8 light up, that create an attractive look for evening or indoor rink use. They feature a high-top boot that is crucial for providing superior ankle support, a key requirement for beginners working on balance and posture. Constructed with a classic double-row style for maximum stability, they allow for a straightforward learning curve. The robust build and comfortable inner padding, coupled with an easy-to-use lace and strap system, make them a dependable, fun, and well-supported option for any female beginner ready to embrace the world of skating. Product number 5. Papasan roller skates for women and men, deluxe 2-layer microfiber leather double-row classic roller skates for girls. Papasan offers a premium retro-style experience for the beginner adult or dedicated older youth. The use of deluxe 2-layer microfiber leather gives the boot exceptional durability, breathability, and a comfortable glove-like fit that holds the foot without pinching, perfect for long hours of practice. These classic double-row quad skates prioritize stability with a high-top design for superb ankle support and feature an aluminum base plate for solid control and easy turning. Equipped with 58mm PU wheels and ABEC 7 bearings, they offer a smooth, quiet glide both indoors and on various outdoor surfaces. This model is ideal for the beginner who values a timeless aesthetic and a high-quality build that will stand the test of time and skill progression.